Chuck, that's a good point. He says Facebook. Let me actually show it. Chuck writes, he goes, Facebook groups are only as good as the admin moderators. I agree and I disagree. It depends on the group. Because don't expect the moderator and don't expect the admin to be the guru, the end all be all of all things, whatever the topic might be. All right. I am by no means the end all be all of all, Oracle of jet ski knowledge. I am not. All right. I simply know who to talk to and ask questions. So I wouldn't say Kevin Shaw is the Oracle. I would say, hey, and I've written back going like, I literally don't have a clue. I mean, in fact, I had one guy, I think it was just this last weekend. What the hell did he write me? I can't even remember anymore. God, I've sent so many emails in the last few days. Oh, yeah. Actually, that brings up something else I wanted to show. Was someone had a question. He emailed me over the weekend. And I literally said, I don't know. I don't know where, because he found a random part rattling around inside of his ski, just loose. And he goes, where does this go? I'm like, I don't know. He's like, well, why don't you know? I'm like, I don't know. I don't own one. I've never dug around it. I don't own every ski. I just don't. I'm sorry. I wish I was independently wealthy. Believe you me, I wish I was. But where I pointed him was go to Riva Racing. You guys can't see this. Boop. Okay, so we go back to Riva Racing's website. Let's pretend that we've opened up their website for the first time. How slow it is. My goodness. All right, go to OEM. I'm going to decide. There we go. OEM original parts. All right. And what they're going to do, look at all of the stuff. All of this, because they also sell dirt bikes and motorcycles and quads and side-by-sides and boats and all sorts of other stuff at Riva. So let's go to Sea-Doo Watercraft. Let's open this up. What should I look up? Let's look up 2022 trophy. What the hell? Why not? Okay, we'll look up a trophy. So we can look at anything we want. Let's look at, electrical harness. There we go. They give you the full diagram of the electrical harness. Well, what if we go back? Let me go back. There we go. Oh, I went back too far. I dug too deep. All right. Decals. I don't know. Oh, look. Not only is the list of all the decals and emblems and badges and all the jazz, stuff that everyone takes off, but you can order them right here. Look, there's the big list of everything you need. And they have this for every ski. All right. Green Hulk has a very similar one, but they're using the exact same engine. All right. Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.